GasStop always helps you discover minor leaks prior to use. To do so, first turn on your device. Now turn the gas back on at the cylinder and prime the GasStop, pressurizing the whole system. Then turn off the cylinder, trapping the pressurized gas in the system. Now monitor GasStop's pressure gauge closely. If the needle starts to fall, you are losing gas somewhere and you need to check your system. The GasStop pressure gauge is an extremely useful tool. When the gauge is in the green zone, there is stable and normal pressure. When the gauge is in the red zone, the cylinder is at the end of its serviceable pressure, showing you need to refill. When the gauge is in the yellow zone, pressure in the cylinder may be too high and you need to take precautions. So whenever you're using gas, always use a GasStop and keep safe whilst enjoying the great outdoors. GasStop, the ultimate in gas safety.